Here I've got MEDION Life X5004, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications. Then you have to locate, find and select the settings. Scroll down a bit and open accounts. Now it's time to click add account. And if you would like to add Google account, just click on Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to connect your device with Google account, and just wait a couple of seconds. Now it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address. And then tap on next. And now it's time to enter the password. Just let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. And here you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the conditions mentioned above, just tap on I agree. And this is it. As you can see now, your device is connected with Google account, and just click on accept to confirm your selection of these Google services. And that's it. Now your MEDION Life X5004 is connected with your Google account right here. And if you would like to delete Google account, if you would like to remove it, smoothly open the settings one more time, then find and pick accounts, open Google, and remove it by tapping on more icon. More icon, and then tap on remove account. Confirm that you would like to delete account with all its messages, contacts and other data by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, there is no account connected with your MEDION right now, and you can add some other new account or smoothly use your device with no connection with Google. So that will be all. That's how you can smoothly and easily add and remove Google account in your MEDION Life X5004. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.